ain't sitting here and relate to you niggas talking about that jail. Nigga, I done did 40 years in the free world. Beat me.
That's hard.
Yeah, beat me. All that. Like, y'all say, I be like, nigga, it's way harder to do this free world time.
That's
yeah,
real.
you niggas got 3 hot cots and nah, worry about these bills. Nigga, when mama died, this and that. Nah, man, do that free world time. Talk to me about that free world.
Ain't that something though?
Yeah, everybody glorified the jail. I'm like, do that. Niggas ain't even been able to do that much time in the free world. I'm him.
That's hard.
And the echo off that
hard.
shit, the echo off what he's saying is so true. Cause on my mama, I didn't see niggas who literally got granted parole and denied it because they didn't want to come home.
Wow.
Niggas didn't want to come home, bro.
I
didn't want to deal with that free world.
You look at me, you looking at responsibility, testimonies, hurdles, all that. You hear me?
That's right.
Yeah, no, man.
That's the cold part about it.
I done did everything under the sun. It's happened. A lot of niggas up under, a lot of them niggas is locked up. Man, they can't say they